everyone. Welcome to Universal English Guide, where learning English is simple, clear, and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Hello, everyone. We're really happy to have you here today.
So, Liam, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel kind of tired.
Tired already? It's not even lunchtime yet.
I know, and that's the strange part. I didn't really do anything today.
Ah, that kind of tired. The I woke up tired.
Exactly. I slept, I woke up, I made coffee, and somehow I'm exhausted.
I think a lot of people listening right now are quietly saying, yes, that's me.
Yeah, this is a very real feeling, being tired without doing anything.
It almost feels unfair, right?
Very unfair. You think, if I'm tired, I should have a reason.
Like cleaning the house, running errands, walking all day.
Or carrying heavy bags, fixing something, or chasing kids around.
But instead, you just existed.
And now you need a nap.
So today, we're talking about that feeling, being tired without doing anything.
And more importantly, how we talk about it in everyday English.
Yes, because this comes up all the time in real conversations.
With neighbors, coworkers, friends, family.
Even with yourself.
Especially with yourself.
Let's start with a simple moment. Imagine this. You see your neighbor in the elevator.
They say, hey, how's it going?
And you want to answer honestly.
But you don't want to sound dramatic.
So you might say something like, I'm a little tired today.
That's very natural.
Or, I feel tired and I don't know why.
Also very common.
People often add a small explanation.
Even when there is no real explanation.
Like, I didn't even do much.
Yes, I didn't do anything, but I'm tired.
That sentence feels almost funny.
But everyone understands it.
Let me tell you a short story.
Go ahead.
Last weekend, I planned to clean my apartment.
Planned to.
Important word there. Planned to.
Uh-oh.
I woke up, sat on the couch, checked my phone.
Classic start.
Then I watched one short video.
One short video always becomes many.
Exactly. 2 hours later, I hadn't moved.
And yet?
I felt so tired.
See, that's the mystery.
I remember thinking, why am I tired? I didn't clean anything.
Your brain was busy.
Yes, and in English, people talk about this a lot now.
They say things like, I'm mentally tired.
Or, I'm tired for no reason.
That phrase comes up a lot.
And it's totally okay to say that.
Absolutely. You don't need a big reason.
Another common situation is work.
Oh, yes.
You finish the day and someone asks, how was work?
And you say, honestly, I'm exhausted.
Then they ask, was it busy?
And you pause.
Because the answer is not really.
So you say, not really, but I feel drained.
That word drained is interesting.
It means you have no energy left.
Even if your body didn't move much.
It's very natural English.
Let's talk about a small mistake learners sometimes make here.
Yes, a very gentle one.
Some learners say, I'm boring, so I'm tired.
Ah, yes.
But boring describes something else.
Right. If you want to talk about how you feel, you say, I'm bored.
So a more natural sentence is, I'm bored and it makes me tired.
That sounds much better.
And notice how people connect feelings.
Bored, tired, sleepy, unmotivated.
These words often appear together.
Let's imagine another mini dialogue.
Okay.
You're at home and your family member says, can you help me clean the garage?
And you reply, I would, but I'm so tired today.
Then they look at you and say,
What did you do all day?
and you laugh a little.
And say, that's the problem. I didn't do anything.
Very natural, very real.
Now, this is a good moment to gently notice how English speakers talk about tiredness.
Yes, let's slow down just a bit.
People often use short, simple patterns.
I'm tired.
I feel tired.
I'm so tired today.
They don't usually explain the grammar.
They just describe the feeling as it is now.
And when they want to add surprise, they add something like,
Even though I didn't do anything.
or for no reason.
This contrast is important in daily speech.
You're saying, my energy is low and I'm confused about it too.
Exactly. And then the conversation continues naturally.
So let's continue ours.
Please.
Liam, do you ever feel tired after being on your phone too long?
All the time.
See? Another great example.
I sit, I scroll, I don't move, and suddenly I want to lie down.
And if someone asks why, what do you say?
I don't know, I'm just tired.
Perfect.
Sometimes I say my eyes are tired,
That's very common too.
or my brain feels tired.
People use body parts to explain the feeling.
Yes, it makes it more specific.
Let's talk about daily routines.
Okay.
You wake up, make breakfast, maybe take out the trash.
Very normal morning.
Nothing heavy, nothing difficult.
But by late morning,
You feel like you need another break.
and you say I'm already tired.
That already shows surprise.
Exactly. You didn't expect to feel this way.
This is great natural English.
And learners don't need long sentences.
Short sentences sound more real.
I'm tired today.
I'm low on energy.
I feel sleepy and I didn't even do much.
Now, let's imagine a small neighbor conversation.
All right.
You're both checking the mail.
And one says, hey, you look tired.
You smile and say, yeah, I feel tired for no reason.
Then they say, same here.
That's it. Connection made.
That's how real conversations work.
No big explanations.
Just shared feelings.
Another thing learners ask is it okay to say this?
And the answer is yes.
Native speakers say this all the time.
Especially when life feels busy, even when it's quiet.
Let's talk about weekends.
Ah, the tired weekends.
You expect to rest.
But sometimes you feel more tired.
And you say, I rested all day, but I'm still tired.
That sentence is very common.
And very honest.
No one is surprised by it.
Because everyone has felt it.
Before we wrap up, let's do one more mini dialogue.
Okay,
I'll start. Do you want to go for a walk?
I'd like to, but I'm really tired.
Oh, long day?
No, not at all. That's the weird part.
Perfect.
Simple, natural, friendly.
And very useful.
So today we talked about being tired without doing anything.
How to express that feeling naturally in English.
Using simple, everyday language.
The kind you hear in elevators, kitchens, and hallways.
If you feel tired today, you're not alone.
And now you have the words to say it.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to Universal English Guide for more relaxed English conversations.
Leave a comment in English and tell us,
Are you tired today?
and did you do anything?
Share this lesson with the friends who need simple English.
We'll see you next time. Take care and rest well.